As your team starts handling more chats and tickets, speed matters, but consistency is just as important. I'm Liz, and in this video, I'll show you the main productivity tools inside Tidio that help support teams work faster every day. Copilot, AI reply tools, macros, workflows, and flows. This is part of our Getting Started with Tidio series, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which tool help your agents write faster, which ones eliminate repetitive tasks, and how to pick the perfect tool for any situation. Before we start using anything, it helps to know where these tools live. Copilot macros and AI tools appear when you're replying inside chats and tickets. Macros live in the inbox and are managed within settings. You'll also find workflows live in settings. And flows have their own section within the left-hand menu. Let's start with Copilot. Copilot generates suggested replies for incoming chats and tickets, which the agents can review, edit, and send. It's designed to save time while still keeping the agent in control of the final message. One important thing to know is that Copilot uses the same knowledge base structure as Lyro. So before it could work properly, you need Lyro enabled and at least one data source added. In the Lyro data source area, you can control whether a specific knowledge is used for Lyro, Copilot, or both. That gives teams a way to fine-tune exactly what the AI uses behind the scenes. In other words, Copilot is only as useful as the knowledge you give it. If you already have a draft and you just want to improve it, use the AI tools. This is the best reply assistant inside the message box. In Tidio, this is the lower left corner of the reply window. These tools can rewrite, elaborate, or shorten your message. For email replies, there's also a summarize option that can condense the entire thread so far. And this is especially useful when adding an internal note or reviewing a long case. So the easiest way to think about it is this. Copilot helps generate a response, while AI tools help improve a response that you already have. Next up are macros, which are one of the most practical team productivity tools in Tidio. Macros are pre-written responses that agents can use in chats, tickets, or even internal notes. And in settings, then macros, you can generate a new macro and give it a short name. You could add labels for easy search and decide whether it should be visible to the whole team or kept private for one agent. What makes macros especially powerful is that they can include basic automation too. A macro can reassign a conversation, add a ticket status, add a tag at the same time the response is inserted. That makes macros perfect for repeated support moments like refund requests, shopping updates, or escalation handoffs. Workflows and flows are not the same thing, and this is where many teams get confused, so let's break it down and make it simple. Workflows are non-conversational automations. So they handle back-office tasks like automatically solving finished chats or tickets, assigning incoming conversations to agents, or changing ticket statuses. For example, you can enable automatic solve or automatic assignment methods like round robin or load balancing. That means workflows are great for keeping the inbox tidy and reducing manual busy work. Flows, on the other hand, are conversational. They're the tools that actually guide a customer through a chat experience. Flows empowers you to set up automated responses within your chat widget and are designed to handle the most common inquiries from your customers, and these flows streamline your customer interactions. In Tidio, every flow starts with a trigger and then uses actions to decide what happens next. Tidio currently offers more than 20 actions, including send a message, ask a question, and update contact property. Agents can even start certain flows manually during a live conversation. If a flow uses the trigger agent starts the flow, it becomes available from the flows buttons inside the reply area. This is especially useful for automating repetitive answers and launching structured mini processes during a chat. And this is where flows becomes a real productivity tool for support agents. They are not only for pre-chat automation, they also help agents handle repeatable situations faster while they're already talking to a customer. And here's the easiest rule to remember when you're figuring out which tool to use. Use Copilot when you want AI to draft a reply. AI tools are great when you want to improve a reply. Turn to macros when you repeat the same answer often. Choose workflows when the task is operational. And build a flow when the interaction should feel conversational. You now know the core productivity tools that help teams work faster in Tidio every day. In the next video, we'll go deeper into setting up and testing Copilot so you can make your suggestions more accurate and more useful for your agents. Thanks again for watching, and make sure to check the description for the Help Center guides used in this tutorial. And if you have any questions at all, please leave a comment, and we'll see you in the next video.